Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherry. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today is a super exciting video because I have my FabFitFun box. So this is my first ever FabFitFun box. I've been dying to try them and I finally pulled the trigger. So this is the summer box and I'm just gonna dive right in. Just opening this up here. I don't know how many things are supposed to come in your box, but it looks like the first thing is a scratch off. That's fun. It went up to $10,000. I'm sure that won't be me, but it's a fun little thing. And then it just looks like a couple of maybe like coupons in here, like for HelloFresh, which we don't use. We've actually done this wine voucher before. Okay, so I was able to like customize my picks earlier in the month. So I chose 4 out of the 6 items. So I already know 4 things that I have in this box, but these are like full-size items. Obviously that's what I like about this. So if you guys watched my other Ipsy bag video, it's a lot of samples, which is really nice, but when it comes to like skincare and like hair care and other things like that, I like to go with like full-size products. So this is perfect. The box is about $59, I believe. So you can either do month or seasonal or annual, and they'll bill you accordingly. I did the seasonal just because I wasn't sure if I wanted to like stick with it or anything. So yeah, the first product we're gonna pull out here is by Juice Beauty, the Organic Solution. This is a Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Boost Serum. It's vegan. Has vitamin C, grapeseed formula to help boost, enhance skin tone and texture. I really like the packaging of this product. It's very sleek. Looks like it pumps out the side here, so it looks like it just pumps from the top. So I'm really excited to try this out. I'm all about anti-aging and skincare and staying on top of like your youthful beauty, so maybe I'll do some reviews on these items that I try out, but yeah, this is awesome. So I can't wait to try that. Next we have a Lemonade Smoothing Scrub. This is by Ole Henriksen. I've heard of this brand before. I heard people like it. This is an exfoliant with AHAs and lemon peel extract. So let's see. You apply this to wet skin and gently massage and leaving on for up to 2 minutes before you rinse. And you can use it 2 to 3 times a week. So this is just like an exfoliant. Awesome. I mean, I actually needed one for like in the shower to exfoliate, so excited to use this too, and hopefully the scent is nice since it's like lemony. So yeah, also really nice packaging. Next we have an Aveda Botanical Repair Strengthening Leave-In Treatment. So this is for your hair. I love Aveda. I've used their products before. They're really, really good, and I love that this is a leave-in treatment because I actually needed more of those. My hair tends to be damaged, especially if I get it colored. It's just like on the tangly side and the frizzy side, so anything that'll help it after I get out of the shower is ideal. So it looks like you apply this on damp hair. You don't rinse. Okay, so it's basically after you get out of the shower, you step out, you have damp hair, you want to run this through your hair and just leave it to do its stuff. So also curious to see how this works, and I might do a review on it. So really pretty color packaging too. Love that green. Okay, this is by First Aid Beauty. Love that brand also. I've used them before. I really needed like a cream. Like all of my creams are just either all used up or they're just, I feel like I have one that's for like sunscreen purposes, like it has sunscreen in it. But this is the firming cream with peptides and collagen. It's for sensitive skin. Apply to your face and neck daily in the AM and PMs. This is just like an overall general awesome cream that you can apply any time of the day. So love that. I hope it lasts me a while. It's in a really nice glass jar. It looks like you just scoop it out with your finger. So I already know I love First Aid Beauty, so I'm sure I'll love this product. Okay, so we have this Black Blossom hand serum. Okay, I don't know the difference really between a hand serum and a hand cream. You pierce the top to open it. I'm just gonna put a little bit. Smells, ooh, really nice. It feels very like silky on the hands and like really moisturizes right away. Really like that. Let's see here. Maximizing the black tulip extract powder from Netherlands. Okay, it just has all the ingredients here. But yeah, it's just a hand serum with black tulip extract. So I'm guessing that's good for your hands. But yeah, kind of curious to try this. But yeah, definitely always need some more hand creams and serums. And last, ooh, I like this. It says Wake the Fuck Up by Rosie Jane, and it's a spray glass deodorant. What? That's so interesting. I don't know. I didn't put deodorant on yet today, so like, should I try this out now? Maybe it's like a perfume and I'm like reading it wrong. It's not like actually supposed to go on your underarms. I don't know. Ooh. It's like herbally. Feels nice and fresh. Clean beauty for cool humans. That's awesome. It says warning, extreme delight and happiness may be experienced. So this is cool. It's like a spray clear deodorant. I'm super intrigued because, guys, postpartum, not only did I have like a deodorant stinky version, like journey leading up to like finding the right deodorant, being postpartum kind of just threw a wrench in all of that because you are left with this stink that you do not get rid of. Like, I will scrub my pits. I will put rubbing alcohol on them. Like, it doesn't matter what I do. I will be clean as shit. And I still smell. Still smell. Don't know why. Don't know what's going on with my hormones that they never reset. My armpits just will not stop smelling. So I am on a journey to find something to make me stop stinking. So if this is it, honey, we're going to be talking about this product for a while. I'm going to update you guys on this, how I like it. I'm intrigued. I love it. Everything in this box is a win. It's a win. Love everything. Can't wait to try it all out. So happy that it's like full-size products. It's a really good deal for what you're getting. I mean, all these products are high-end stuff. Some of them are like well over the $59 price. So you're really getting a lot for the money. So I think it's a great idea. It's a fun way to treat yourself. You get something in the mail every season. Or however the annual works. I think it might be like every month. I don't know. But you could check it out. I'll leave the links down below. If you want to check out FabFitFun, they're really popular. A lot of people do it. All the information's down below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to check out my other videos on here, guys, because I have a lot of variety. So until I see you guys in my next one. Bye.